If you are tired of your job and want to find a profitable way to escape the 9 to 5 routine, this video is for you. I'm going to share with you 5 evergreen high-paid skills you should learn right now to practically work for every company you desire or create your profitable online business from scratch. Be here with me till the end of this video because it will open your mind to new possibilities that you are probably unaware of. My name is Cecco and I help you become an high-paid infopreneur by sharing my 12-year knowledge and experience helping professionals and small business owners create their personal brand online and sell information products and services. Before sharing these 5 skills and how you can learn them even for free, let me point out some essential things. Especially these days, lots of guys are speaking about how to become rich by trading NFTs or investing in crypto. And I love the topic because I firmly believe that NFTs and crypto are the present and the future. Both of them are here to stay. And I have a playlist too in my YouTube channel in which I speak about how NFTs are linked to intellectual property. You can check the playlist after watching this video. At the same time, it's an investment. It presupposes that you have money, even lots of money to invest in order to become rich, otherwise it's not a valid path to pursue. I want to be real and I don't like telling you dumb stuff just to have a like on this video. I don't care. I want to educate you and teach you the real stuff based on who my target audience is. Maybe you are asking yourself why I decided to start this video with these premises. I have 2 reasons why. Number 1. The skills I'm going to reveal are especially valid in both Web 2.0 and Web 3.0, and to be very honest, once you have mastered them, you have an incredibly competitive advantage. And number 2, I'm focused on helping you make money by producing value. And if you don't produce value, you can make money to invest. That's it. In addition, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I suggest you subscribe right now and turn the notification on to be notified every time I upload a new daily video. If you like this type of content, tap on the like button as well, and thank you. Let's start with the first high-pay skill, number 1, sales closing. You have probably heard me say that sales is the most crucial ability of every successful entrepreneur, and it's true. If you master this ability, you can sell anything to anyone and practically find a job in any company. Every company in the world needs a sales representative able to close the potential customer by phone when receiving a targeted lead. Let me explain this concept because it is crucial for you to understand. With today's automated systems available, you don't have to move yourself anywhere trying to sell your products or services to the market. But the opposite is true. A potential customer will ask to be called because they found a compelling sales message. Usually, when something like this happens, it is because the company is selling high-ticket items which price is over $2,000, $5,000, even $10,000. So, the ability to close the prospect is well paid. Keep in mind that you can conquer the world when you develop the ability to sell anything to anyone. Selling has the same power of your smile. High-paid skill number 2. Copywriting. I'm in love with this skill. It is the first skill I decided to focus all my efforts on when I started my career in online marketing in 2008. Copywriting is the ability to sell anything to anyone by using the written word. To be honest, I'm much better at selling with written words than closing a sales call. It's very personal and it all depends on who you are as a human being. Learning copy is a must. I can say that it's a sort of obligation for you if you want to find your space with an online business, regardless of the stuff you want to sell. But let me be very clear. You have to learn copy for 2 main reasons. Reason number 1. If you don't want to write sales letters or video scripts or whatever else, you must hire a copywriter. The good ones are very expensive, just to let you know. Since you know the subject and how to apply it, you can evaluate the job of the copywriter and you can hire him or her with awareness. Many people will tell you they are good copywriters, but they don't. You have to recognize them instantly. Reason number 2. Mastering copywriting allows you to sell anything with the written word. Everything in Web 2.0 and in Web 3.0 is copy. Want to create a product launch? You need copy. Want to create a sales letter or a video sales script? You need copy. Want to sell in front of an audience? You need a copy structure, and so on. Copy is a must skill to learn. Keep in mind that you can learn this ability even for free in my YouTube channel. Check the copywriting playlist from the link exactly below this video. I paid skill number 3, funnel marketing. What is a funnel? Most probably you have already encountered these words. Funnel is straightforward to understand. It means creating a step-by-step series of communications in order to educate your potential client to become a new client of your company. It means helping your existing clients to buy other products or services of your company. It means teaching your audience to choose you and your company instead of your competitors. As you can deduce, funnel marketing involves copywriting. I can even define funnel marketing as a series of web pages that guide the potential customer to become a new client by squeezing him properly in order to get his interest. Let me give you an example of a 3-page funnel. Let's suppose I have to sell an online course for $197. I don't advertise the sales page directly because the conversion rate will be shallow. I created these 3 web pages to educate and persuade potential clients to buy my online course. Page number 1, squeeze page. A page in which I give some valuable content for free if the potential customer leaves his name and email. Page number 2, indoctrination videos. 3 short videos to help my client fix the problem mentioned on the squeeze page. Page number 3, sales page. I sell my online course on this page and persuade the potential customer to buy it. I have just described the structure of a simple funnel. Obviously, the communication you use to teach and sell is the most critical part of the funnel. I paid skill number 4, running paid ads. Even if social networks are free, the giants make money by letting advertisers advertise on these platforms. And you know perfectly how it works. Knowing how to run paid advertising is very important because, number 1, every company in the world needs someone to run paid ads. Number 2, your company needs someone to advertise your business on the right platforms. And number 3, if you are very good at running ads, you can make even 25k a month and even more, primarily if you work on performance marketing. The more you help your client make money, the more you earn. At the moment I'm recording this video, there are many paid platforms available, and to be very honest, knowing how to run ads on each platform is challenging. The most famous and used paid ads platforms are Facebook and Instagram ads, Google and YouTube ads, TikTok ads, Pinterest ads. If you have the skills to run paid ads on each of these platforms, you are a beast. You can work for every company globally and be paid tons of money. I paid skill number 5, coding. I think that becoming a programmer is an excellent opportunity in the years to come, especially for the Web 3.0, NFT, metaverse, and other new unexplored territories. To be very honest, I don't like coding because I like being a great communicator and developing my personal brand online. I don't like staying behind the screen for 10 hours a day, and for this reason, I'm not qualified to speak about this skill, but for sure there will be a huge demand. And for this video is more than enough. Let's do a brief recap of the 5 high-paid skills just mentioned. Number 1, sales closing. Number 2, copywriting. Number 3, funnel marketing. Number 4, running paid ads. And number 5, coding. I urge you to start learning copywriting as I did 12 years ago. It is the most important skill to sell anything to anyone. I have created a special playlist on my channel where you can find different videos about copy. If you start from scratch, I urge you to watch this video. How to learn copywriting from beginners, in which I shared 3 crucial concepts. What does copywriting really stand for? Who is the copywriter? The basic steps to start writing copy. Watch it now.